Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest today is Eventful Living with Kay. And the theme is Lavish Purple. So I'm going to start with my centerpiece, which is a beautiful shade of purple peonies. I had just purchased these from the Dollar General, and I have them in a really pretty white vase and a couple of small potted lavender, also from the Dollar General. And then from Amazon, I have this beautiful wine goblet in a shade of purple. It came in 4 glasses in different colors. But I'm just setting a table for 2 today. So I have this really pretty purple napkin with my fork and knife. And again with the table setting for 2. I don't have a whole lot of purple items, so I'm sharing what I do have. Starting with a dessert plate that has fruit on it. And I'm using this because of the purple grapes. And it looks beautiful even on the back side. And then again from the Dollar General, I have this purple melamine plate. I bought that a few years ago, again from the Dollar General. And from the Dollar Tree, this square white plate with rounded corners, the Dollar Tree. And then as a charger is this gold rose from Amazon. And I like the fact that you can place it diagonally or square to give it 2 different looks. So I decided to layer my table setting for today, and I think it turned out really pretty. And the fruit plate was thrifted. I like the gold edging on it. So this is a very budget-friendly tablescape. And again from Amazon, the wine goblets. This one's more of a greenish tint. So now I'm backing up to give you an overall view. And do continue watching because I do light the candles at the end of the video. I think the centerpiece is gorgeous. I love the peonies. Okay, now I'm going to take you around the table and share with you another Martha Stewart blueberry cobbler candle. Again, that was the Dollar General. You really can't beat the prices at the Dollar General, I think. And here we have a little teapot that's purple in color with pretty little flowers. And the teapot is on top and a teacup is on the bottom. Again, the Dollar General, and this one reads, Happy Mother's Day. You fill my cup with love. Isn't that sweet? I love it for Mother's Day. And then what I've added is a table runner, which is really pretty. That was Amazon. And I've just placed a scarf on top of that is like a dusty rose color, a shade of purple. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope Kay likes what I've done today for Tablescape Tuesday. Now, if you would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. See you all in the next one.